The FAA has proposed new cybersecurity regulations to address the rising threats to aviation systems due to increased connectivity. These rules would require the aviation industry to identify and evaluate cybersecurity vulnerabilities in airplane operations, engines, and propellers. Additionally, the regulations would mandate the development of response procedures for cyber attacks and mitigation strategies for unauthorized electronic interactions, IUEI. Experts like Joseph Sanders, CEO of RunSafe Security, have highlighted the need for further measures to protect against unknown vulnerabilities that could affect aircraft airworthiness.